Hey there, you fabulous cooking legends, kitchen newbies, and everyone in between. Do you ever find yourself standing in front of your pantry or fridge with a blank stare, like a confused contestant on a cooking game show who just realized they accidentally signed up for MasterChef instead of Wheel of Fortune? You are not alone, my friends. We've all been there, flipping through our mental recipe Rolodex, hoping to remember that one recipe that uses only a can of beans, a packet of ramen, and a bottle of mustard. But fear not. I'm about to drop some serious pantry knowledge on you. This isn't just a NY guide, this is the ultimate, rib-tickling, life-saving manual to essential ingredients. No more panic searching for takeout menus, no more tossing random junk into your cart, and definitely no more sacrificing your savings on exotic truffle oil just because Pinterest said so. And before you say, but I see a not afford that many fancy ingredients, I hear you loud and clear. We are keeping it simple, practical, and easy on the wallet. Because let's face it, no one wants to spend their life savings on saffron only to have it sit in the pantry until 2050 when it finally expires. So buckle up, grab your grocery list, and get ready to become the undisputed monarch of your kitchen kingdom. The pantry, a magical wonderland of survival. Let's start with the pantry. Think of it as your culinary toolbox. Sure, it is not as exciting as finding buried treasure, but a well-stocked pantry will feel like hitting the jackpot when hunger strikes at 10 p.m. Olive oil, the Beyoncé of cooking oils. Olive oil is like Beyoncé, it is versatile, elegant, and makes everything better. Whether you are sautéing, drizzling, roasting, or marinating, olive oil will come through every time. Is it an oil, or is it a life philosophy? Both. You can practically hear it whisper, "Put me on everything." Pro tip, if you accidentally knock the bottle over and spill it, congratulations! Your kitchen floor is now as glossy as a Michelin star restaurant's. Spices, the flavor Avengers assemble. Look, if food were a Marvel movie, spices would be the superheroes. Keep these essentials on hand: salt, pepper, garlic powder, cumin, and maybe a pinch of chili flakes if you like to live dangerously. These heroes will save your meals from the fate of blandness. Trust me, you do not want your spaghetti to taste like a cardboard box. Warning, overdo the cumin once, and your entire kitchen will smell like a taco truck exploded inside it. But hey, worse things have happened. Can goods, the true MVPs of lazy cooking? Can tomatoes, beans, and broth are the holy trinity of pantry staples? You will never have to worry about spoiled produce when you've got a can of tomatoes ready to save the day. They're perfect for soups, stews, or pretending you are a master chef because, yes, of course, I always use homemade stock. Spoiler alert, no one does. Pro tip, just be careful when opening cans. One wrong move and you will cut your finger or accidentally launch chickpeas across the kitchen. Pasta, rice, and grains, the ultimate mood food. Ever get the late night munchies and crave something cozy? Pasta and rice are your new BFFs. They're quick, satisfying, and so easy even your cat could probably boil water and make spaghetti. Okay, maybe not, but you get the idea. Pro tip, adding leftover veggies or canned goods to pasta is the culinary equivalent of getting bonus points in a video game. Next up, the fridge are where hope and leftovers go to die. Now let's address the fridge. This space is notorious for hiding forgotten jars of salsa, mysterious leftovers, and that sad bag of spinach that died long before you ever planned to use it. But fear not, fridge warriors. We are about to organize this chaos into a treasure trove of edible gold. Fresh produce, your kitchen's color palette. If your fridge doesn't contain at least a handful of fresh fruits and veggies, I am going to assume your grocery shopping is as sporadic as your gym attendance. Bell peppers, leafy greens, onions, and lemons are all excellent choices. Not only do they make your food taste great, but they also fool your friends into thinking you've got your life together. If your produce ever starts to look a bit sad and wilted, just chop it up and throw it in a stir fry. Everything looks intentional when it is in a stir fry. Eggs, nature's multitasking miracle. Eggs are the Swiss Army knife of the kitchen. Need breakfast? Eggs. Need to bake a cake? Eggs. Ran out of shampoo? Okay, please do not try that one, but you get the point. Keep a carton on hand at all times, and you will always have something delicious within reach. Pro tip: you can even microwave an egg if you are feeling particularly lazy. Just do not forget to poke a hole in it, or you will have an egg grenade on your hands. Protein: chicken, tofu, and friends. Whether you are a meat lover or a tofu enthusiast, you will want to keep some protein in your fridge. Chicken breasts, tofu, and canned fish are all versatile enough to keep things interesting. Do not underestimate canned tuna, either. It is not just cat food, it is human food with flair. Bonus tip: if all else fails, just say you are making deconstructed tuna salad. It sounds fancy, but it is really just a bowl of tuna and a spoon. We won't judge. Next up, dairy and condiments, the flavor party that never ends. If milk, butter, and cheese aren't already in your fridge, what are you even doing with your life? Dairy is the backbone of deliciousness. Butter makes everything better, cheese makes life worth living, and milk, well, it is mostly for cereal and coffee, but it still counts. Now, let's talk condiments. A well-stocked condiment shelf is the difference between a boring sandwich and a sandwich that slaps. Keep mustard, ketchup, soy sauce, and hot sauce on hand at all times. And if anyone ever questions your 17 different hot sauces, just say, I like options. Cooking like a pro without the meltdown. Now that you've got your pantry and fridge fully stocked, you are ready to face the wild world of cooking head-on. No more ordering takeout because you do not have the ingredients, or staring at your pantry like it owes you money. With these essentials in your kitchen, you are practically unstoppable. In conclusion, the key to kitchen happiness. Cooking doesn't have to feel like a chore, or a mystery puzzle you weren't prepared to solve. With the right pantry and fridge staples, you can throw together a delicious meal at the drop of a hat. Just remember, keep it simple, do not overthink it, and if all else fails, slap some hot sauce on it and call it gourmet. So next time you are feeling uninspired, just open your pantry and fridge, and let the magic happen. And if it all goes wrong, well, that's what pizza delivery is for. Subscribe to Cook Pros, your partner in culinary chaos. If you found this guide useful, or at least mildly entertaining, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Pros. We have got all the cooking tips, tricks, and recipes you need to crush it in the kitchen, or at least survive without setting anything on fire. Like, share, and comment below with your favorite pantry essentials. Happy cooking, you magnificent culinary warriors!